What was seen earlier as isolated incidents in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh has now snowballed into a massive public health scare.
First Madhya Pradesh and now Rajasthan. Mysterious deaths of children as young as 5 has shaken up both the states. A 5-year-old child died in Sikar after consuming a cough syrup provided under the state's free medicine scheme. A 3-year-old child in Bharatpur fell seriously ill after taking the same brand of syrup.
भरतपुर सिरप जो है इससे बच्चों को लेने पे परेशानी आई। जांच के लिए सैंपल्स ड्रॉ किए जिसको हमने प्रयोगशाला के अंदर भेज दिए हैं और साथ ही साथ इस दवाई के उपयोग के ऊपर रोक लगा दी गई है।
In Madhya Pradesh, the victim suffered acute kidney failure. Investigations suggest the cough syrups administered to the children contained unsafe levels of diethylene glycol, DEG, a toxic chemical.